Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to enable or turn on camera effect on WhatsApp. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing is that you simply need to log into your WhatsApp account. Once you're there, you click on these three dots up here beside the camera. So after which you click on what settings. So once you're here, you click on what policy, click on it. So guys, you simply need to scroll down, and you are going to see allow camera effects. You simply need to enable this. So after that, you click on continue. So guys, that's actually the way you allow camera effect. That is when you are doing your video calls or taking a picture. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Yeah, peace out.